So it is now official that Pi is listed in most of the exchanges. So D-Day is today, and not really that Pi is doing well. Pi listed at the rate of $2. But right now I'm doing this video, it has dumped. That's market price, yeah, it's fluctuating, it will rise and it will dump. Watch this video from beginning to the end so that you know what to do, whether to sell or to hold your Pi. If you're coming across my video for the first time, you're welcome. Please do well to like, share and subscribe. Also join my WhatsApp group for more updates. So here is Pi at the rate of 1.55. Many people are buying and some people are also selling at the same time, thereby making the price not to be stable by now. So the choice is yours. If you want to sell your Pi, if you have needs to sort out, you can sell your Pi. But if you are a little bit financially okay, I advise just hold your Pi. Even if you say hold it for at least 24 hours. This Pi will definitely reach $3 or $4 before next week that we are entering. Or let me say next week that we are entering. The price of Pi will be high. Even still dumping. Now it's 1.47. So this is going to do like major. But I'm not saying it's not going to rise again, it will rise. The pressure is high. Many people are buying and the same time people are selling. My prediction about this Pi was wrong. I said it in my group that Pi will not list above $1. But it was wrong. You guys saw that it's listed at $2. So my prediction was totally wrong. So what I'm saying is, if you can hold your Pi, hold. Pi is going to do well in future. For me, I don't even have Pi to sell right now. I locked my Pi for 3 years. And even when I saw videos on how you can unlock, I wasn't bothered because I know this is not a Telegram app. This is not a Telegram project. So this is a good project. I know it's going to do well. So I wasn't bothered. In that 3 years, I'm going to sell my Pi and I'll use that money and buy Lamborghini. I'll use my Pi money in 3 years to come. I'll use it and buy Lamborghini. Yes. So the choice is yours. I'm not telling you to sell. I'm not also telling you to hold. But if you can hold, if you are not in a financial need, that you can hold your Pi, kindly hold it for now. Especially if you have not sold when it was at the rate of $2. You can hold it for now. So that is it. If you find this video helpful, please do well to like, share and subscribe. And for my followers that are holding Pi very well, some of you have sold your price. Please, you guys should buy us peanuts. We that don't have Pi to sell, you guys should buy peanuts for us. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.